The campaign against gender-based violence, it was the perfect opportunity for me to sort of create a body of work that was reflective of my own values and hopefully create something that's interrogative but celebratory, which is the balance that I like to strike in my own practice. My name's Molly Hankinson and I'm a visual artist, illustrator and muralist from London, but I'm currently based in Glasgow. My work focuses on diverse representation, celebration of marginalised communities with a strong focus on women and other marginalised genders. Aesthetically, I've been looking at the sort of DIY approach to activism within art, looking at different ways of public intervention and how I can bring that aesthetic into a gallery setting for the exhibition. So one of the ideas I had was looking at sort of fly postering. So I've created a collection of rhizo prints that were going to be pasted up onto board and then installed in the space, put up in a very kind of direct action way around the uni as well to sort of entice people into the larger themes of the exhibition. The focus groups were really helpful for me. I've actually been working a lot more with text specifically for this project, so including direct phrases and direct quotes from the focus groups to make sure that the narrative of the student body and the staff, they feel like they're being heard and they feel like their stories are being told in hopefully a very strong but kind of determined but celebratory way. I want to spark questions around the themes in the campaign, hopefully in a way that is strong and assertive, but also looking forward and with a positive sort of celebratory look on the future as well.
We're in the James McEwan Smith building and we've just finished installing, which is really exciting. Each piece sort of represents a different theme or a different area of kind of tackling gender-based violence. So there's one that looks at consent, there's one that looks at self-care as an act of resistance. There's one that talks about how patriarchy is not beneficial to anyone of any gender, and that's called Men Sit Down for Your Rights. Kind of highlights kind of actionable steps towards for what men can do to engage themselves in the conversation as well. The rug is kind of symbolically everything that the institution has swept under the rug historically and kind of taking accountability for that. The line is sort of the positive counterpart to that, which looks to the future and explores different phrases and different themes from the focus groups. The mirror is called You Are Seen. It's sort of like a metaphor for visibility. Hopefully people can kind of engage with the work, see themselves looking back in the work and feel seen and feel visible in the context of reporting gender-based violence in the university as well. I hope it will challenge people. I hope it will make people think about their pre-existing preconceptions around gender-based violence and hopefully spark some conversations around how the institution can better themselves, but also how us as individuals and as young people can better ourselves as well.